Today I'm going to show how to do an oil change on a 2019 and up Mercedes 642 diesel engine. That's 3-liter V6. Things you'll need: oil filter socket, extension, 3/8 ratchet, 13mm socket. I like to use my Milwaukee 3/8 ratchet. Really, that's all you need to do an oil change. First thing you'll do is get the oil filter draining, release this jump terminal, set it to the side. If you're just doing an oil change, you don't need to undo the intake tube or anything. Just move the box over like that, then you have clear access to the oil filter here. I always get it draining to the point where I can see oil around the O-ring. That way I know it's draining off. You kind of see the oil draining there. Release the oil cap. And then you can just leave it like that while you let the engine oil drain. So go ahead and raise the vehicle. Obviously, if you don't have access to a lift, you can do this on the ground with just an oil catch container. Grab your ratchet. Regular ratchet works just fine. Like I said, I like my electric ratchet. Make sure your catch container is over far enough to catch the oil. Grab your drain plug. Clean your drain plug. While that oil's draining, get your new cross washer. Always use a new one. And then I highly recommend going OEM with oil filters. I see all the time these come in with aftermarket ones like MicroGuard and things like that, and almost every time the filter element is like squished in on itself, like it struggles to allow oil flow through it. So if there's one thing I recommend going OEM, it's definitely these filters. Your O-rings here. Now that the oil is drained in just a small stream, I'm going to grab our drain plug. For those out there that like to be technical, I'll break out the torque wrench. Mercedes says 30 Newton meters on the drain plug and 25 Newton meters on the oil cap. Screw in your drain plug, torque wrench. And then I'll lower the vehicle, go over how to replace the oil filter. As a technician, this is where I like to have the oil going while I replace the filter. I understand that not everybody's a technician and you'll be using quart jugs and things like that, but the idea is the same. 907 sprinters with the 642 take 12.3 quarts. It's what we found to be best, and you never have an overfull reduce oil morning. So 12.3 quarts, get that filling, drain plugs in, remove the oil filter. Now you want to replace the O-rings. Take off the big one, take off the small one, grab your new O-rings. Little one obviously goes back there. This one, make sure you go in that groove right there. Take a little bit of the oil from inside the cap and just rub it. Both the O-rings, makes for a nice easy install. Install the new filter and then reinstall to the vehicle. So like I said, Mercedes recommends 25 Newton meters, so I've already gone ahead and set this to that. So it's really not very tight, doesn't need to be. The O-ring does a great job of sealing these, and over tightening tends to be more damaging than just snug. So don't over tighten. Snug or 25 Newton meters. As you can see, it literally just touches and it's already at 25, so don't over tighten. Oil's full. Don't forget the oil cap. We see these come in with the oil cap off all the time and they make a very big mess. Go ahead and get your air box back in position. Don't forget this jump point. Before you click this down, Get your elbow back in place. Click that down. That's how you do the oil change on the 642 3-liter V6 diesel engine.